How to pay YouTube Premium on iPhone. Looking to enjoy ad-free videos and background play? Here's how to subscribe to YouTube Premium on your iPhone. First of all, open the YouTube app from the home screen. Then ensure that you sign into Google account. Tap on your profile picture, then scroll down. When you see Get Premium YouTube, click on it. Review the available subscription plans, and select the one that suits you best that try for free or the subscription price. Then confirm your purchase using Apple credentials. Enjoy your new YouTube Premium benefits, including ad-free viewing and offline downloads. And that's about it. With YouTube Premium subscription, you can watch non-stop videos, create audio playlists, and enjoy audio gold benefits while using other apps. Thanks for watching.